Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science virtual class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will continue our chapter Let Us Travel. Today we will discuss about rural transport. Some means of transport that are used in rural areas. Rural areas means in villages. That means of transport are different from those which are used in urban areas. Here is the example of means of transport of rural areas. Farming is the main occupation of people in most rural areas. Most of the people in villages are engaged in agriculture, means they are doing agriculture. In form of crops, they grow grains, fruits, vegetables, pulses, sugarcane, cotton, etc. From these vegetables and fruits are perishable items, means these things rot quickly. That's why they are transported from villages on daily basis to nearby cities or towns market in bullock cart, camel cart, horse carts, tractor, trolleys, tempos or in trucks. To carry goods to nearby cities, people use hand carts, tempos, trucks, etc. In same, after the harvesting of crops like wheat, rice, farmers also sell that in nearby market. So we can easily see the trucks laden with the gunny bags make their way on the rural roads to the nearby towns or cities. The different means of transport enable us to travel and carry goods from one place to another easily. The goods carried by different means of transport give us a clear indication about the crops grown in that area. Which type of goods is supplied from there? It means that crops are grown there. After getting farm products, farmers sell their products in nearby market. For that, the bullock carts, tractor trolleys, camel carts or trucks loaded with agricultural goods go from villages to cities to sell their agricultural products in market. After selling their products in market, the farmers purchase their household items also, and the other required items they purchase from market. When they go back from cities to village after selling their products, they keep their required items with them like gas cylinders, light machinery, textiles, scooters, etc. Because these things they can get from cities market. All these things are made in factories in towns and cities. That's why they purchased that from there and they brought that whenever they came back after selling their agricultural products. Means of transport form a bridge between rural and urban areas. Means both are dependent on each other. We can say that urban and rural areas are interlinked and interdependent. Students, do you know what is coastal area? Coastal area is the place where the land and sea meets. In coastal areas, the fishermen use boats to transport fish and other seafood items. Steamers and ferries having cold storage facilities are also used to transport fish. All this is related to rural transport. Today's homework is you will revise the concepts which we learnt in our today's class, and for that you will read page 89.